Welcome to MegaTrade 101 video presentation, the 15th of February 2010. This presentation is in support of our trading analysis in market view for the four comparison charts that we have here on a daily basis. One is on the sterling pound, the second is on the euro dollar, the third is on the euro yen, and the fourth is on the euro pound. These are all on a daily basis. And let's start off with the pound, which is working at 1.5739 currently, with a low of 1.5635, which establishes a low point from the resistance, which used to be the resistance rather, but now it has become the support. And it's currently working on the high side together with the weakness of the dollar, although as far as the dollar is concerned, it's still established on the high side. However, a correction will always be made, especially after last week's movement on the downside, and today's market is fairly thin simply because of the Chinese holidays and the President's Day. However, a thin market is very susceptible for the currencies to move opposite from the previous price direction that it has established last week. And this goes the same way with the euro, working at 1.3747. Okay, and at this point in time, the 1.3585 has been an established support for the euro versus the dollar. As you can see here back on the sterling pound, that it has reached the 23.6% on the Fibonacci retracement, and working on these levels, it should be able to try to retest 1.5880 at the rate it's going right now, although as long as the volumes and the open interest on the futures market, as far as the financial futures is concerned, would have to move higher and build enough momentum for it to move to that price direction of 1.5880. However, it is more likely that it will have to retrace to this price level, although when it would achieve it would probably be in the next couple of days. And let's try to see whether on the weekly basis it is going to move to that direction, which is more likely, although the new low here at 1.5385 would be the actual support. At 1.5556 levels is actually the support on the previous bar on the low side. There will always be a major correction within a major downtrend. So this major correction could reach as far as 1.5880 as we have mentioned. And together with the euro, let's look at it on a weekly basis, wherein from the past 5 consecutive down movements on a weekly basis, this correction, which basically already penetrated the resistance price level, and it's working at 1.3740. So in these two currencies, we took a buy position for the pound as well as for the euro. And looking at it now, we've taken a buy position on February 15 on the sterling pound, on the euro pound, the euro yen, and the dollar yen at these price levels: 1.5646, 0.8686, 122.48, and 90.14 for the yen. These positions are been executed just the previous night, when we anticipated that the reverse of the price would then be made prior to today's movement. And going to the euro pound daily, it is working at 0.8736, and for the euro yen working at 124.32. This has been the initial stand that we're anticipating a price reversal, not a trend reversal, but basically a correction within a major downtrend. Please be cautious, as far as there would be no actual guarantees that we will have the same results as previously indicated. Have a good day in trading.